Hi, my name is Marian Cruz, professional sales consultant of Hyundai Commonwealth. Today, we will be discussing about your kaagapay sa hanap buhay, the Hyundai H100. How to start a business without cash out. Okay, in this video, you will learn how to have a business with no cash out. But before that, please support us by liking, sharing, and subscribing to our YouTube channel, Hyundai Commonwealth and Hyundai Com TV. Comment down below if you have questions on how to avail our latest promo. Did you know that 40% of our sales every month are Hyundai H100? Yes, because it is so convenient, durable, and very affordable. That's why most of the buyers are trusting this model over our competitors. Later, we will be discussing about the features and specifications of our Hyundai H100. But before we do that, let's start to our main topic first. First thing you will do is to apply for an auto loan with us. Just fill out the credit application form below and attach the necessary documents like 2 valid government-issued IDs, latest COE, latest ITR, and your 3 months latest payslip. Remember that our Hyundai H100 has no cash out. Yes, only here at Hyundai Commonwealth. At wala na po kayong ilalabas na kahit magkano upon bank approval of your auto loan. Very convenient, di ba? Lastly, we will refer you to our courier or logistic partner para maging kaagapay nyo sa hanap buhay ang inyong bagong-bagong H100. Kaya comment down below or you can reach me through these following numbers and we will be glad to assist you. Again, I am Marian Cruz, showroom specialist of Hyundai Commonwealth. See you on our next video. Please don't forget to subscribe. Start a business without cash out.
Sorry, it's DJ.
Okay, ngayon ulitin mo. How to have a business without cash out? Huh? How to start a business without cash out? Okay, in this video, you will learn how to have a business with no cash out. But before that, please support us by liking, sharing, and subscribing to our YouTube channel, Hyundai Commonwealth and Hyundai Com.
You can get some.
Comment down below if you have. Did you know that 40% of our sales every month is Hyundai H100? Yes, because it is so convenient, durable, and very affordable. First thing you will do is to apply for an auto loan with us. Just fill out the credit application form below and attach the necessary documents like 2 valid and government-issued IDs, latest COE, latest
Sorry, it's
ITR,
DJ.
and your 3